Welcome everyone on the Arunoday classes. This presentation is about vitamins, classification and functions. Vitamins. It is a known fact that we require energy in order to perform different activities. We get these energies from the food we eat. Apart from the normal food that we take, our body requires a certain number of compounds in small amounts for the proper functioning, and deficiency of these compounds may cause diseases. These compounds are known as vitamins. Vitamins are chemical compounds that are required in small amounts with our regular diet in order to carry out certain biological functions and for the maintenance of our growth. Classification of vitamins. Vitamins are generally classified as water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins, vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat soluble. These are stored in adipose tissues and hence are called fat soluble vitamins. Second, water soluble vitamins. Vitamins in B group and vitamin C are water soluble and cannot be stored in our bodies as they pass with the water in urine. These vitamins must be supplied to our bodies with regular diets. Functions of vitamins. Based on their role in biological processes and their effect, different vitamins have different functions. Their function can be best understood by knowing about their deficiency diseases. Given below is the list of vitamins and their deficiency diseases. Vitamin A. Deficiency may cause hardening of the cornea in eye. Deficiency may cause night blindness. Vitamin B1. Deficiency may cause beriberi, dwarfism. Vitamin B2 deficiency can cause disorders in the digestive system, skin burning sensations, chylosis. Vitamin B6 deficiency of B6 causes convulsions, conjunctivitis, and sometimes neurological disorders. Vitamin B12, its deficiency can cause pernicious anemia and a decrease in red blood cells in hemoglobin. C. It is a water-soluble vitamin. Its deficiency causes bleeding in gums and scurvy. Vitamin D. It is obtained by our body when exposed to sunlight. Its deficiency causes improper growth of bones, soft bones in kids, rickets. Vitamin E. Deficiency of vitamin E leads to weakness in muscles and increase the fragility of red blood cells. Vitamin K. It plays an important role in blood clotting. The deficiency of vitamin K increases the time taken by the blood to clot. Severe deficiency may cause death due to excessive blood loss in case of a cut or an injury. Thanks for watching. Please like it, share it, and subscribe with your friends.